Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to join Midjourney Discord server. So all you have to do is simply log into your Discord account, okay? And then after that, you have to open your Midjourney. Just go to any web browser. So right now I'm using Google web browser. Type discord.gg/Midjourney. Okay, so tap this one and it will take you directly to the Midjourney site. Now, to continue, you just have to click this continue Discord. So it will take you directly to Discord site. You just have to type your email and a password. Okay, so wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now you have to type your email address and password. Click login. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. You are now, or your Midjourney is now connected to Discord server. And that's how easy it is to join Midjourney Discord server. You just have to create your Discord account, Midjourney account, and then open this Midjourney to their site, and it will be directed to your Discord application or account. As easy as that. Now to start, you just have to go or select any newbie here, and then type slash, and then imagine. Then you can see prompt here. Now you can type any keyword like air, water, boy, girl, or any specific keyword that you want Midjourney to generate picture or image for you. So just have to type it here. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.